Hello, Bem. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing all the best, all your health, and happiness in your life. Looking forward to see you in Cebu. You know how much I love you. You're the closest sister I have. Kita rin magkasinabot, kita rin makatawa, kita rin makasabot kay mama. Thank you for being there always. For me, for mama, for our family. Thank you for being you, naturally you. And you know how much I love you. Happy birthday again. Sisi, love you.